there, sir. How can I help you?
Howdy, ma'am. I heard you're the best realtor from the west of Mississippi.
Thank you so much. So tell me, what can I help you with today?
Well, I need a house for my wife, my horses, my goats, my chickens. And I don't want the HOA bucking about it.
Okay, so you want some land for your animals and somewhere where there's not going to be an HOA so they aren't putting up a stink about it.
I need 4 bedrooms, 1 acre. My wife likes the open concept living room.
Okay, so you also want a really nice house, but it has to have at least 1 acre for your animals.
The hard part is it has to be under $650,000.
Wow. Okay, well, that definitely is a tall order.
Well, if I get an interest rate and a 4 in front of it, that would be mighty fine.
Sir, you're telling me you want a 1 acre horse-zoned property with no HOA, a beautiful home with an open living concept for under $650,000, and you want an interest rate with a 4 in front of it? You know what? I might actually have just the thing for you. Let's take a look. This beautiful home in Northwest Surprise has a 3-car garage, 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, open concept living room, and sits on over an acre. So you can bring your horses, your chickens, your goats, and with no HOA, you can live your best homesteading dreams. This home has been so loved. It is just down the street from tons and tons and acres of BLM land. The current owner's favorite thing to do is go over to the land, walk their dogs, ride their bikes, and just love this quiet lifestyle out here in the northwest pocket of Surprise. There's plenty of space for all of your toys and boats, and it has an assumable interest rate.
Well, this is quite a deal. Sign me up and butter my biscuits.